Welcome to our video series on artificial intelligence. In this episode, we will talk about fundamental concepts of data science, including understanding data types, data manipulation using Python libraries like NumPy and Pandas, and data visualization using Matplotlib or Seaborn. Let's get started. Data is the backbone of data science, but not all data is created equal. It comes in different shapes and sizes, primarily categorized as structured and unstructured data. Structured data is highly organized and typically found in databases or spreadsheets. Examples include CSV files, SQL databases, or Excel sheets. Unstructured data, on the other hand, lacks of predefined data model and can be text-heavy, such as social media posts, emails, or images. Let's jump into some Python code to understand data types using NumPy, a powerful library for numerical computing. In this code snippet, we create both structured and unstructured data arrays using NumPy. Once we have our data, we often need to manipulate it for analysis. This is where libraries like Pandas come in handy. Let's see how we can use Pandas to manipulate structured data. Here we create a Pandas data frame from our structured data array and then filter the database on a condition. Visualizing data is crucial for understanding trends and patterns. Matplotlib and Seaborn are popular libraries for data visualization in Python. Let's visualize our data using Matplotlib. In this code snippet, we generate a scene wave using NumPy and plot it using Matplotlib, adding labels and a title for clarity. And that wraps up our introduction to data science. We covered understanding data types, data manipulation with Pandas, and data visualization using Matplotlib. Stay tuned for more exciting episodes in our AI journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video. Bye bye.